kung may mga gusto po kayong i-pursue next year, which is mamaya na po pala, gawin nyo lang po. Be it singing, ano pa? Dancing? Ano pa? Cooking? Eating? Ano? Acting? O ano pa? Magnegosyo? Ano pa po? More sleeping! Oy, alam niyo po, that's true talaga na sana this 2025, mas maging mindful po tayo sa health natin. So, it's okay to really work hard. Pero wag din po natin pababayaan yung sarili natin. Alagaan po natin yung health natin. Mahal-mahal magkasakit. Di po ba? So yeah, yes to more quality sleep. Right? Quality rest. At dahil po dyan, again, we should embrace 2025 with positivity, joy, enthusiasm, full of hope, faith, and endless possibilities. Learn from the past, katulad ng sabi ko po kanina, and of course, be grateful at all times. So, Okada, thank you so much for having me tonight, and sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Diba, you are requesting for one more kantahan. So, I'm gonna give you more. Ready na po ba kayo? Let's go, let's do this!
Okay, of course, meron pa tayong fireworks show mamaya and also a light show dito sa ating fountain. So please don't go anywhere. That's all happening for our countdown to 2025. Grabe! Sino dito yung mga gumawa ng mga New Year's resolutions nila? Meron na ba? Naniniwala pa ba kayo doon? Natutupad niyo ba yung mga New Year's resolutions? Maraming naghihindi. Baka naman matupad na this year. But of course, ang dami nang nangyari sa mga nakaraang taon. Siyempre, ang dami nating nalagpasan ng mga problema or whatnot because of the pandemic. And then what happened afterwards. And I'm just so happy that, you know, we're back here at the fountain at Okada to do, you know, live events like this for our countdowns. Kaya naman, I'd say Filipinos, we're very, you know, resilient. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi tayo maatas sa laban sa mga hamon sa buhay. So, I'd like to dedicate these next few songs for all of you. Actually, these next two songs are by one of my favorite artists. And her name is Sia. So if you guys know these songs, please sing along with me.
Ingat ha. Let's go. 4 minutes na lang ang meron tayo before 2025 enters our life. So, how are you feeling, Donna? How are you feeling, Darren?
Yes po. I'm very excited for 2025 and of course I'm so honored to be celebrating my New Year's Eve with everyone here at Ovada. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Sa Better-Natics, thank you guys so much for joining us. Thank you. Ayan, si Ate Jones. Ano may naabangan mo sa New Year?
Inabangan ko sa New Year.
Tatalan ba tayo?
Tataman kami!
Ay, effective pa yun?
Ayan, o ba? Tatalan ba tayo?
So, habang nag-uusap tayong lahat, ayan, okay, namin muna kayo, let's take a big group selfie. I don't know whatever you call it, but let's be facing here. Tapos kayo, kumain kayo so you can see everybody in the photo, okay? Okay, so tayo harap.
Alright.
Nanghiram lang ako ng cellphone, so
Selfie,
kailangan
selfie.
natin. Okay, selfie! In 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Sa picture lang. Sa picture lang, syempre. Syempre, oo. So, eto, we only have 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So, you play? Is there anything you want to say? Ano? Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa New Clement, also to Okada. Maraming salamat po for having us here. At sana po, in 2025, matupad na natin mga pangarap natin. Anyone else who want to say something?
Actually, we're very honored po to be part of this event. Kaya maraming salamat po. At talaga namang nag-enjoy kami tonight. At